to the Lord, the Almighty, the King of creation. Oh, my soul, praise Him, for He is thy health and salvation. All ye who hear, now to His temple draw near. Join me in glad adoration. Praise to the Lord, who o'er all things so wondrously reigneth. Shelters thee under His wings, yes, so gently sustaineth. Hast thou not seen how all thy longings have been granted in what He ordaineth? Praise to the Lord, who doth prosper thy work and defend thee. Surely
Shalom, shalom, from the site of Masada, located in the Judean desert on the western shoreline of the Dead Sea. I bring you greetings here from the land of the Bible we call Israel. Biblical Israel Ministries and Tours is all about teaching the Bible within the context of the land. We use biblical archaeology, historical geography, the customs and culture of the Bible, but also we teach about the life and ministry of Jesus from a Hebraic background. The Bible really, from the stories of the Old Testament to the narratives of the New Testament in the life and ministry of Jesus, really comes to life in really special and meaningful ways. Biblical Israel Ministries and Tours is really about doing two things. First of all, we offer very unique, biblically oriented trips. We go to many off the beaten track sites versus the average tour that visits more perhaps traditional sites and churches. So we love to expose you to the real sites mentioned in the Bible, and we of course open the Bible at each site and we read about the story that took place there on location. We also offer what we call Bringing the Bible to Life seminars. These are seminars that we offer typically on weekends for churches all around the country. We would love to bring Israel to your church and help you understand the Bible, again, from the context of this land. So shalom, shalom from the Judean desert. Thanks so much for visiting our website, and if we can offer our ministry to you, we would be delighted and honored. Shalom, shalom from Masada.